Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a beautiful unboxing. Let's get right into the Dior bag. Okay, this is what I got in the mail. It is absolutely beautiful. The box is one of those beautiful, iconic, matte finish type of Dior boxes with the beautiful embroidery print on it. I absolutely love these boxes. They are such a beautiful display in the wardrobe. I have them all on the top shelf of my wardrobe in my bedroom. And I'm just going to unwrap this. Oh my god. It is gorgeous, guys. I mean, you guys know I love me a leather handbag and I find them really durable, really easy to wipe down. But there is something about the embroidery in Dior that is so exquisite and so special. This bag is no exception at all. It's got the beautiful, it's like a tiger print, which you can see there. So beautiful. This is in the navy color. I really thought that navy was missing in my handbag collection because I don't wear a lot of navy, but like the burgundy, it is a neutral. So even if I don't wear navy, I can still wear a navy bag and it should still work with a lot of neutral outfits. So this is the 30 Montagne. I actually googled the pronunciation of this online, and I'll be honest with you, there were three ways that people were saying it. Montagne, changed. Look, I think I am an Australian, and I think that if I was to say it, I would just say Montagne. So I think this is the 30 Montagne. But it's got the beautiful logo at the back there of the name. This bag is just exquisite, guys. It is so exquisite, and I love the size. It is not too small. It is not too big. The gold hardware against the navy is something else. I want to see if you guys can see this, but it's a really rich gold, very rich color gold hardware, and against the navy it really pops. Like these at the top, they're kind of a little bit more orange gold than normal, and I just think it just makes this bag look super expensive. I also love the closure of these bags. With the red, the little 30 Montagne red one that I have there, that one has got a weird twist closure, which I find a little bit annoying because you've got to get it exact. This one is just a press. It's a press button at the bottom and it just lifts up. I mean, that's incredible. One finger, press, and it opens. What an amazing closure. Really, really nice closure. Super impressed with that. When you open it up, it is just the beautiful embroidery. So it's a fabric lining, so it is fabric inside and out. I really thought it might be leather on the inside because it is the embroidery on the outside, but no. There is a zipper pocket at the back. This is quite a structured bag, so it's quite a square structured bag, and the zipper at the back doesn't open a whole lot. It's one of those flat flush pockets, so it's really good for, you know, credit cards and flat items. I wouldn't be putting anything bulky, but there is a big pocket at the front that actually has a gusset, so it's got, you know, width around, so it actually will be able to house a phone, a small wallet, anything like that would fit in there nicely. So it's just one opening, really dark. I'll try and give you guys some close-ups. But there is something so special about this bag. I mean, also the leather trim. There is leather trim around the entire bag that covers any sort of piping, the stitching is absolutely stunning. Even the back stitching is incredible. There is not a stitch out of place. The leather also feels really soft and beautifully durable, but also weighty at the same time. This strap is stunning. It is removable, so there is a buckle here that you can kind of unclip, just like a belt, and take it off, which is really handy if you wanted to tie a scarf or something, or make this just a top handle. That's also doable. The gold hardware on this is quite orangey in tone, and I really like it. I find that it looks really expensive, looks really rich, and it really adds something to the bag that I think that if it was silver it wouldn't have the same appeal. But because it's got this orangey gold, it's just beautiful. It's got Christian Dior here on the buckle, which is stunning, and it's just one of those buckles that just clips out like that and clips back in. So it just clips out. Also, as mentioned, there is a pocket at the back as well, a really big pocket that pretty much goes the width of the bag. Wow, I'm gonna have so much fun styling this bag up and actually wearing this from day to day. I really see this bag being an amazing everyday bag that you would just take everywhere and it would just go with everything. Okay, I'm going to get into the mod shots now. I have chosen a really simple outfit today because for me, this bag is super classic, and I've sort of come full circle a little bit. You know, you will see me modeling this bag just against a very plain white shirt dress, and I deliberately did this because I wanted this bag to really pop. I wanted it to be visible. I wanted you guys to see that even with a simple outfit, imagine a white shirt and jeans, or a white top, white tee and jeans, that this bag would still look amazing. So I mentioned that I've come full circle because you'll see that there's a lot of pink, a lot of green, a lot of yellow, a lot of red in the background, and I did go through moments of really wanting to wear lots of color. I still do that sometimes now, but I know that long term it's about having bags that, one, are going to be durable, but two, the style is going to stand the test of time. So the style of the bag is going to be timeless, it's going to be classic, it's going to be still wearable in 20, 30 years time, right? That's what I try to do when it comes to honing in my forever bag collection. Now, obviously, because I'm doing this as a bit of a side passion, I have more handbags than the average person needs. So I'm going to try a lot of things. I'm going to test a lot of styles out because I know it's going to be a useful review for somebody out there. But day to day, I really believe that this is a classic, and you can't really go past classic bags. You know, they are forever bags, they are beautiful, they're timeless, and I think that they'll go with just about anything that you could put with them. There you go, guys. What do you think of this new bag? Have you been considering this new embroidery collection from Dior? I mean, Dior really surprised me. Sometimes I don't like what they do, other times I love what they do, and they just have a way of really, you know, creating things, creating bags that women really love. And I think it's modern women really love. I find that Dior is a very modern brand, so I think that, you know, you really can't go wrong with some of these pieces. What do you guys think of this bag? Have you been considering it? I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of all the patterns and all the other versions of this bag? Do you think that they would last? Do you think or do you think that they're just trend pieces? Please follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm so prominent on there. I run a lot of polls and giveaways and a whole lot more. And be sure to subscribe to my magazine if you haven't already. You can find the link on my Instagram in my link tree, or you can head to my website, naomiperisbags.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you next time in my next video. Bye for now.